Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Firstly, let's address, I made a new intro and I'm hoping I didn't get copyrighted, so you would have seen it. If I did get copyrighted, you didn't see it, but I'm hoping I didn't. So yeah, I've got a new intro and I've got a new outro, so hopefully it all goes well. Secondly, this video is so exciting. You would have seen but from the thumbnail that basically Revolution have sent me lip kits to try and they've launched today. I'm hoping this video goes up today. They have launched today and I have them here on the day that they launch. How fucking fantastic. Like, oh my god, I have the lip kits here. I'm just going to show you. I hate when people like long out intros, so I'm just going to show you. This is what they look like. They are £6 each. Look at the side. It says lip contour on it. Like, the back has a little diagram of how to contour your lips. They're so sleek and nice. The packaging is gorgeous. There's 6 shades. It came out today with like a whole load of contour stuff. So we are going to try these on my lips. I am so excited to show you these. So we have 6 of them. And just look at that. Don't that look nice together? And then on the other side, it's got like ultra matte finish, long wear, no touch-ups, highly pigmented, just written there. I just love these, absolutely love them. So we're just gonna try them on for £6. You can't go wrong. You know me, absolutely love anything lip related. Today I've overlined my lips too much, but I'm excited to show you these. So yeah, let's just roll straight into this. So firstly, when you open these, you get a lip liner and a liquid lipstick. Look at that. They just look like they've upped their game with their packaging as well. This is what they look like. They look very sleek, very like high-end looking. I just love it. I love. This is the shade Stunner, so I'm just going to quickly whack this on my lip for you. Let's just show you the colour on my hand actually. This one, I wasn't sure if it'll show up on me, but it does. That's the lip liner, and then that is the liquid lipstick next to it. Just wanted to quickly show you what this lip liner looks on my skin tone and my kind of lip colour. It actually shows up, but it's not the most like darker shade for my lips. It's a very light pink, peachy nude kind of shade. It's not a colour I would generally go for, but the lip liner did show up on my lips and they're actually really creamy. This is what the shade Stunner looks like on my lips. Definitely not my kind of shade that I would normally go for. This is something that I would need to put in the centre of like a really dark lip liner. But they glided on so nicely and the formula of them are very thin, so you can top them up without feeling like you're just putting too much on. Like, this is like 2 layers of the colour because it's not a colour that I didn't put the liner underneath, so of my whole lip. You'd have to put the liner underneath of your whole lip so that you don't see cracks or anything within it. But very comfortable, and they do say that they're ultra matte, and believe me, they are ultra matte. The next shade I'm going to try is Lover. This is like a nice mid-tone brown, so I'm very excited to shove this on my lips. Definitely line your whole lips with the lighter shades because then these don't go on and have little cracks in the centre. It's much better because my lips are quite pigmented. If I don't line the whole lip, then you can kind of see my lip colour through, but it looks amazing when you line your whole lip. I actually really like this colour. I feel like this colour would look really nice with a darker lip liner. This again was called Lover. Again, love this kind of peachy brown type of shade. I really like it. Next shade we have here is Queen, and I really like this shade. It's a very like pinky kind of colour. This again, if the lip liners were darker, it'd be perfect, but you can just like pick and choose what lip liners you use for each lip kit. Look at that on the end there. These are the types of shades, the lighter ones, that you definitely have to put like 2 layers on, but it doesn't make your lips feel like they're got so much product on them or anything, like, because there's such a light formula, thin kind of consistency, it doesn't feel like you're building them up too much. And I actually really like this shade. Again, this would be perfect with a darker lip liner. Now we've got the shade Brunch, and I feel like this is going to be a colour that I absolutely adore. So that is the lip liner, that is the liquid lipstick. They actually look very different from each other, not the same. So put it on my lips and we'll find out how different they really are. So I definitely like the shade of the liquid lipstick compared to the lip liner. The lip liner is just a bit too pink, whereas this is like a nice mushroom type of mauvey pink, which I like. So yeah, the lip liner is much more pink than the liquid lipstick, but I like the colour of the liquid lipstick. So this has got to be my favourite pink out of the bunch. The next shade we have is called Divine. I love this one. I have already used these. This one and the next one are my favourite. It's definitely a nice like brown. I love this kind of brown. I love it. There it is. This is one of the most me shades there is, these last three. This shade Divine, absolutely love it. It is one of my favourite shades out of the bunch. I love this shade and I love the next one even more. This one is that perfect brown shade. Love it. It's so soft and it's not patchy as well. You'd expect sometimes liquid lipsticks, as they get darker, they get a bit more patchier. This one is not patchy. This one is so nice. Like, I'm not the biggest liquid lipstick person, but I would be rocking these because they're so comfortable. Next shade we have is called Stiletto. This one, you can see why there's a big smile on my face because it is my favourite shade. It is that rich kind of chocolatey shade. I cannot wait to get this on my lips. It is gorgeous. Okay, this shade is my favourite shade of all the shades we have here. I cannot believe these are only £6 for the lip liner, the liquid lipstick. The box is phenomenal. I love the packaging of the box. It's just so sleek and I love that it's really thin, because remember the Kylie Jenner ones were quite long. These are thin, so they're just going to slide into my collection quite nicely. Slide into. This colour, oh my god, is perfect. Absolutely perfect. I truly would recommend these, and I'm not a liquid lipstick person. I would tell you straight if these liquid lipsticks were crap, because I remember the matte bombs they had, the bigger tube ones, and those would crumble right in the centre. Now I've worn these to eat and things and they didn't crumble off in the centre. When they did slightly remove, they started coming off in the centre really nicely and not crumbly, which I loved. These lip kits are amazing. £6, you can't go wrong. And I would just like to thank Revolution for sending these to me. I am forever grateful that I got this opportunity to have these before they launched. I really hope you guys did enjoy this video. I'm so grateful for the opportunity given, and yeah, I'm just, oh, I love them. So I really hope you did enjoy, and I will catch you in my next one. Bye.